Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to discuss the outer or gaseous planets. Before starting the topic, let me tell you that what are the outer planets. These are four planets named as Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So let's start with the Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest and fastest rotating planet. Huge storms of swirling gases can be found in Jupiter's atmosphere. The largest storm of gas is called the Great Red Spot. Large balls of lightning have also been seen in Jupiter's atmosphere. It is 1350 times bigger than Earth in volume and 318 times massive than Earth. Jupiter has 67 moons. Ganymede is the largest moon of Jupiter and is the largest in our solar system. One way of the Jupiter is equal to 9 hours and 55 minutes of the Earth. So, the one day of the Jupiter is equal to 9 hours and 55 minutes of the Earth. Its revolution period is 11.86 years or 11.86 years. It has rings which are not so visible. Average temperature of the Jupiter is minus 150 degrees Celsius. This was all about Jupiter. The second outer planet is Saturn. Saturn is the second biggest planet and is also called the ring planet. It is surrounded by rings made of ice and dust. So this is the answer of why Saturn is known as the ring planet. It is because it has rings which are made of ice and dust. Its rotation period is 10 hours and 15 minutes and is second fastest rotating planet. So the first fastest rotating planet is Jupiter, while the second fastest rotating planet is Saturn. It is a very large gaseous planet which spins very rapidly on its axis. Its atmosphere has winds which can blow at over 1800 kilometers per hour. The white spots on Saturn are believed to be powerful storms. It has a density of 0.71 grams per cubic centimeter. Since Saturn is less dense than water, it would actually float like an apple if you could find a pool large enough. It has 62 moons. Titan, or Saturn's moon, is the second largest moon of our solar system. So the largest moon of our solar system is one of the moons of Jupiter, while the second largest of our solar system is one of the moons of Saturn. Saturn's diameter is 1,20,800 kilometers. Its distance from Sun is 1430 million kilometers. Its average temperature is minus 180 degrees Celsius. So this was all about Saturn. third outer planet which I am going to discuss is Uranus. Uranus is called green planet. Why it is called green planet? It is called green planet because its atmosphere is made up of hydrogen, helium, and methane. The temperature in the upper atmosphere is very cold. The rapid rotation of Uranus causes winds up to 600 km per hour to blow in its atmosphere. Here are some characteristics of Uranus. It has 13 known rings which contain dark, boulder-sized particles. It has 27 moons. Its rotation period is of 17 hours. Its revolution period is equal to 84 Earth years. Its mean distance from Sun is 2,870 million kilometers, and its diameter is 5,180 kilometers. Now I am going to discuss about the fourth and the last outer or gaseous planet named as Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. Neptune is the coldest and slowest revolving planet. Its orbital period is of 165 years. Very important point. So its orbital period is of 165 years. Neptune and Uranus are called twin planets. It has winds in its atmosphere which blow at over 2000 km per hour. This planet has large dark circles on its surface which astronomers believe to be storms. There are some other characteristics of Neptune. Neptune has two thick and two thin rings surrounding it. It has 14 known moons. The period of rotation is about 16 hours. Its diameter is 49,400 kilometers. It is 4,500 million kilometers away from the Sun. And its biggest moon, Triton, is the sixth largest moon of our solar system. So this was all about Neptune. Now I am going to give you the answer of the question why Uranus and Neptune are known as twin planets. Neptune and Uranus are known as twin planets because they have similar appearances. They both have diameters of around 50,000 kilometers. And both of these planets are blue in color. So they have these characteristics in common. That's why these are known as twin planets. So this was all about today's lecture. I discussed the four outer planets. These four planets were Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Dear viewers, like the video and subscribe the channel. And press the bell icon so that you can get latest videos on your mobile phone.